Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. Privacy, acreage, one-level living. Everything you have been looking for and more. With this custom-built 4-bedroom home you get 2 master suites, 4 bathrooms, main floor laundry, multiple heating and cooling systems including central air, mini ductless split, new forced air furnace and in-floor heat, 9-foot ceilings and vaulted ceilings, crown molding, solid 6-panel doors, gas fireplace and family room, open floor plan, hardwood floors and ceramic tile floors, custom woodwork, attached 2+ car heated and insulated garage with unfinished recreation room above garage, landscaped yard with large aggregate patio in backyard, in-ground sprinkler, surrounded by woods with 9.34 acres in the heart of the Brainerd Lakes Area. Don't you owe it to yourself to at least take a look?